Create a simple calculator in Python. In this Python tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of creating a simple calculator using Python. You'll learn how to build a basic calculator program that can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division operations. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your Python skills, this step-by-step tutorial will help you understand the fundamentals of Python programming. Welcome to another exciting tutorial from TechTrailblazer. Today, we are going to dive into the world of Python programming and create a simple calculator from scratch. This project is perfect for beginners who want to learn the basics of Python or anyone looking to refresh their coding skills. Let's get started. Click on New File and then click on Python File. A new window would appear. So going further with our project, we'll start by defining 4 functions for our calculator. 1. Add x, y, lies for adds to numbers. 2. Subtract x, y, lies for subtracts one number from another. 3. Multiply x, y, lies for multiplies two numbers. 4. Divide x, y, lies for divides one number by another, handling division by 0. Next, we'll create a user-friendly interface for our calculator. We'll provide a menu for the user to choose from addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. We'll also allow the user to quit the program when they're done. Definite add x, y. Return x plus y. Definite subtract x, y. Return x, y. Definite multiply x, y. Return x asterisk y. Definite divide x, y. If y is equal to 0. Return cannot divide by 0. Return x, y. While true. Print options. Print enter add for addition. Print enter subtract for subtraction. Print enter multiply for multiplication. Print enter divide for division. Print enter quit to end the program. User underscore input is equal to input. If user underscore input is equal to quit. Break. Elif user underscore input in, add, subtract, multiply, divide. Num1 is equal to float, input, enter first number. Num2 is equal to float, input, enter second number. If user underscore input is equal to add. Print result, add num1, num2. Elif user underscore input is equal to subtract. Print result, subtract num1, num2. Elif user underscore input is equal to multiply. Print result, multiply num1, num2. Elif user underscore input is equal to divide. Print result, divide num1, num2. Else. Print invalid input. Enter the following input required to run the program. And there you have it, a simple calculator created using Python. This project is a great starting point for anyone looking to explore the world of Python programming. You can further enhance and customize this calculator by adding more functionality and features. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy coding.